Have you ever stopped to ask yourself, why are some people successful while others struggle? Why does wealth flow effortlessly to some, while others fight every day to make ends meet? The answer isn't luck. It's you. It's your mindset, your habits, your actions. You see, the battle to succeed, to make money, to thrive in life, it's not you versus the world. It's you versus you. Most people think making money is about working harder. Let me tell you the truth. It's not just about working hard. It's about working smart. It's about breaking free from the beliefs that hold you back and taking control of your destiny. Because success leaves clues, and if you follow the path laid out by those who've mastered it, you can achieve the same results. So, today I want to share with you what I've learned about wealth, success, and the art of financial mastery. Lessons that have transformed the lives of millions. Because making money is not just about money, it's about freedom. It's about living life on your terms. Are you ready to step up? Are you ready to break through? Breaking limiting beliefs. About money. Most people don't fail because they lack ability. They fail because they've been programmed to believe they're destined to fail. Let me ask you something. What did you grow up believing about money? That it's the root of all evil? That it's hard to come by? That rich people are greedy? These beliefs are the chains holding you back. Here's the truth. Money is a tool. It's neither good nor evil. It's neutral. It takes on the energy of the person who holds it. If you're generous, money amplifies your generosity. If you're selfish, it amplifies that too. But understand this. Money itself is not the problem. Your relationship with it is. One of the most dangerous beliefs is that money is only for the lucky or the privileged. Let me tell you something. Wealth isn't reserved for the few. It's reserved for the determined. It's reserved for those willing to reprogram their mindset. You must start by asking yourself, what do I really believe about money? And more importantly, are those beliefs serving me? I want you to write this down. Your beliefs shape your reality. If you believe you're not good with money, guess what? You'll sabotage every opportunity to create wealth. If you believe you don't deserve success, you'll unconsciously avoid it. But here's the beautiful thing. Beliefs can be changed. You don't have to accept the story you've been telling yourself. Start telling yourself a new story. I am worthy of wealth. I am capable of creating abundance. Money flows to me because I add massive value to the world. This isn't just positive thinking. This is rewiring your brain. Science proves it. What you focus on, you feel. And what you feel, you move toward. I'll tell you a secret that changed my life. The quality of your life is directly proportional to the quality of the questions you ask yourself. Instead of asking, why can't I make money? Ask, how can I create value so massive that money is the natural result? That one shift in focus can transform everything. Now let me warn you, breaking limiting beliefs isn't easy. It's uncomfortable. You'll doubt yourself. You'll face resistance. But remember this, growth doesn't happen in comfort. The only way to conquer limiting beliefs is to confront them, to challenge them, and to replace them with empowering beliefs that drive you forward. Here's your first challenge. Identify one belief you have about money that's been holding you back. Write it down. Then ask yourself, what is the cost of holding on to this belief? And finally, replace it with an empowering belief that supports your success. This is your time. The only thing standing between you and the financial freedom you deserve is you versus you. So which version of you will win? The one that clings to old beliefs or the one that's ready to rise? Strategies for financial success. Now that you've broken free from limiting beliefs, it's time to talk about strategy. Mindset gets you started, but strategy keeps you growing. Let me ask you something. What's your plan for financial success? Do you even have one? Or are you just hoping, wishing, praying that things will work out? Let me tell you this. Hope is not a strategy. Success doesn't happen by accident. It's planned, it's created, it's earned. The first step to making money is simple. Know your numbers. Most people don't even know how much they spend versus how much they earn. You cannot manage what you don't measure. So, track everything: your income, your expenses, your savings. When you understand your numbers, you gain control. And control is power. Once you've got clarity, here's your next move. Pay yourself first. What does that mean? It means the moment you earn money, you take a percentage and save or invest it before paying bills, before spending a dime. Because if you don't, guess what? You'll find a way to spend it all. Start small, 10%, even 5%. Just start. Here's the secret about money. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and grow. Which brings us to the game changer: investing. Listen carefully. The key to building wealth isn't working harder. It's making your money work for you, and investing is how you do it. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, every dollar you invest has the potential to grow. That's called compounding. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. But here's the catch. Investing takes discipline. It takes patience. You won't see results overnight, but over time, the results are life-changing. Start now, even if it's small, because the best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I lose money? What if I make the wrong decision? Let me tell you something. Fear is the enemy of progress. You're going to make mistakes. Everyone does. But the only real mistake is not starting at all. Here's what you do. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of investing. Surround yourself with mentors, with people who've been where you want to go. Follow proven strategies, not hype. Remember, wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. And don't stop at investing. Build multiple streams of income. Think about it. If one stream dries up, you've got others flowing. Whether it's a side hustle, an online business, or passive income from investments, the more streams you have, the stronger your financial foundation becomes. Here's the truth. Financial success isn't reserved for the lucky or the talented. It's reserved for the committed. If you're willing to take control of your finances, to learn, to grow, to invest, you can create wealth beyond your wildest dreams. So what's your first step? Start today. Look at your numbers. Save a percentage of your income. Learn about investing. Take action. Because the only thing standing between you and financial freedom is action. Taking massive action. The difference between people who dream of success and those who achieve it is simple. Action. Not just any action. Massive, consistent, purposeful action. Think about this. How many times have you set a goal, felt inspired, and told yourself, this time I'm going to make it happen? But a week later, a month later, nothing's changed. Why? Because inspiration without action is meaningless. It's like a car with no gas. It might look good, but it's not going anywhere. Here's the truth. If you want to create financial success, you have to stop waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. You have to start now, where you are, with what you have. Massive action isn't about doing everything perfectly, it's about doing something consistently. Let me share a principle that will change your life. Progress equals happiness. When you're taking action, even small steps, you feel alive, you feel empowered, and that momentum builds confidence. But when you stand still, when you hesitate, fear takes over, and fear will rob you of your dreams if you let it. So, what's stopping you? Is it fear of failure? Let me tell you something, failure isn't the enemy. Inaction is. Every successful person you admire has failed. Not once, not twice, but hundreds of times. But they didn't stop. They didn't quit. They learned, they adjusted, and they kept going. That's the secret. When you take massive action, you must focus on what you can control. Stop wasting energy on things you can't change. Don't obsess over the economy, or what others are doing, or the mistakes you've made in the past. Focus on what's in front of you. What's the one thing you can do today to move closer to your financial goals? Here's the formula. Clarity plus action equals results. First, get clear on what you want, not just vague wishes like, I want to be rich. That's not clarity. Be specific. I want to earn $10,000 a month from multiple income streams. That's clarity. Then, break it down into actionable steps. What do you need to learn? Who do you need to connect with? What systems do you need to build? And then, take the first step. It doesn't matter if it's small. The first step is the hardest, but once you take it, the next one gets easier. And the one after that. That's the power of momentum. Remember this, your actions today are creating your tomorrow. Every decision, every effort, every risk, it's shaping the future you'll live in. So the question is, what kind of future are you building? One of regret or one of abundance, freedom, and fulfillment? The choice is yours. But to create the future you desire, you must act. Not tomorrow, not next week. Now, because the only thing standing between you and success is you versus you. Sustainable wealth creation. Making money is one thing. Keeping it and growing it for the long term, that's the real challenge. Success without sustainability is just a flash in the pan. If you want lasting wealth, you need a system, a plan, a foundation that will stand the test of time. Here's the first rule of sustainable wealth. Don't just make money, multiply it. Too many people fall into the trap of earning and spending. They make more and they spend more. It's a cycle that keeps them stuck. But the wealthy think differently. They don't just earn, they invest. They multiply every dollar, turning today's income into tomorrow's security. How do you do that? Start by creating a financial fortress. What's a financial fortress? It's a system that protects and grows your wealth. It starts with an emergency fund, money set aside for life's unexpected challenges. Because guess what? Life will test you. Cars break down, jobs get lost, markets fluctuate. But when you have a financial fortress, you're ready for anything. The next step is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The wealthiest people in the world know this. You need multiple streams of income, and you need your money spread across different types of investments. Stocks, real estate, businesses, each one plays a role in your financial growth. And here's the secret to sustainable wealth. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Too many people try to get rich quick. They jump into risky schemes, hoping for overnight success. But wealth isn't built overnight. It's built over time. Consistent, smart decisions compounded year after year. Now let's talk about giving back. True wealth isn't just about what you have. It's about what you can give. When you reach a point where you're financially secure, don't just keep it all for yourself. Share it. Invest in others. Build communities. Because the more you give, the more you grow. Not just financially, but emotionally, spiritually, and mentally. Sustainable wealth is about creating freedom, not just for yourself, but for the people you care about. It's about leaving a legacy, a future where your children, your family, and your community can thrive because of the decisions you make today. So ask yourself, are you building wealth that lasts? Are you thinking beyond today, beyond this year? If not, it's time to start. Build your financial fortress. Diversify. Invest consistently. And most importantly, give back. Because true wealth isn't just about numbers in a bank account, it's about impact. And when you focus on creating impact, the wealth takes care of itself. The choice is in your hands. Sustainable wealth or fleeting success. The only thing standing in your way is you versus you. Call to action and emotional climax. Your life can change in an instant, the moment you decide to act, the moment you stop making excuses, the moment you take control and declare, "This is my time." You have everything you need within you, the strength, the intelligence, the resilience. But the question is, will you use it? Or will you let fear hold you back? Will you let doubt, hesitation, or procrastination rob you of the life you deserve? Right now, there's a version of you that's living your dream. That version isn't smarter than you. They don't have more talent or more resources. They just made the decision to step up, to take action, to stop letting excuses define their destiny. What about you? Are you ready to fight for your future? Are you ready to stop being a victim of your circumstances and start becoming the creator of your life? Because let me tell you this, nobody's coming to save you. No magic lottery ticket, no miracle solution. Your success is in your hands. It's up to you. So, what will it take? What has to happen for you to commit to your dreams? Do you need to hit rock bottom? Do you need to lose more time, more opportunities, more peace of mind? Or will you choose today, right now, to make the change? The time to wait is over. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need more knowledge, more money, or more connections. What you need is a decision to act, a decision to rise, a decision to win. Because the truth is this, life is short. Every second that ticks by is a second you'll never get back. Every day you waste is a day further from your dreams. And someday, you'll look back. You'll ask yourself, did I live fully? Did I give it my all? Did I leave nothing on the table? What will your answer be? This is your moment. The battle isn't against the world. It isn't against your circumstances. The battle is against yourself. It's you versus you. And the choice you make today will define who wins. So stand up, take the first step, write your story, build your legacy, and never forget, you are powerful beyond measure. Your dreams are within reach. All you have to do is reach for them. The world is waiting. The clock is ticking. The question is, what will you do?